In early September 2024, things got intense in Columbus when the police pursuit ended with 2 armed robbery suspects in custody. It all started near Sullivan and Ogden Avenues, where a man flagged down officers and reported he'd just been robbed at gunpoint. He described the suspects and their car, and it wasn't long before police spotted the vehicle near East Livingston Avenue and Alum Creek Drive. When officers tried to pull them over, the suspects, 21-year-olds Jolan Rutherford and Onday Sullivan, sped off, kicking off a high-speed chase through the city. Dashcam footage shows the suspect's car losing a tire during the pursuit before crashing into a building on Alum Creek Drive.
Getting off at May 1, East Main 71.
That's a little more than one car.
So East Main, one cruiser behind it. Going through 18, East Main going through 18.
This is Massive Bio now. Narration.
It's approved.
Was
it a dead end back here? Go, 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 go.
He's bailing right now.
No, he's not. Come back to Main, come back to Main. He's gonna head back, he's gonna come out on Main over by the towers. Eastbound Main, eastbound Main. Go, go, go. Got it. Take it, take it, take it.
No, you can't right now.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Left, 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 left.
I gotcha. I gotcha.
You're good, you're good, you're good. He's missing a tire. Southbound Alum Creek.
Chopper, your horse, you copy. Where exactly are you?
Take him at the wall, take him at the wall. Take him, take him, take him, take him, take him, take him. Take him. Take him. Southbound Alum Creek, southbound Alum Creek still.
3 male black, striper hat on the
gonna go
black
for it.
t-shirt jeans. Male black is the one with the male black white hoodie has a gun.
Mission 5th, unsuccessful.
White hoodie has a gun.
Come on, Gino, take it. Missed it.
S12. I'll take the air for air and then chopper's air now on channel 6. Southbound Alum Creek. Left lane. Ready to cross lane.
Good, good. Go, go, go. You're good. Good, 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 good. He's lost the wheel. S11, he just lost the wheel. We're still southbound Alum Creek. We're going to be at Lionsden, bailing, 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 bailing.
Even after the crash, the 2 men tried to make a run for it on foot, but officers caught up with them quickly. Both were arrested, and a firearm was recovered at the scene. 2 officers were injured during the incident, but were treated and later released from the hospital. Rutherford was charged with tampering with evidence, while Sullivan faced charges for failure to comply, tampering with evidence, and speeding. Thanks to quick police work, the suspects were taken into custody without further harm. On December 14, 2023, Michigan police got a call about a road rage incident involving a blue Silverado. According to the caller, the driver, Eddie Simmons, had forced another car off the road. Officers quickly located the truck near Davison and Arlington and tried to pull Eddie over, but he wasn't interested in stopping. Instead, he sped off, hitting over 100 miles per hour and driving recklessly in the wrong lane. And after about 2 miles, officers decided to back off for safety. An hour later, troopers found Eddie's Silverado parked near a house. As they watched, Eddie came out, got into a different car, and drove off. When officers attempted another traffic stop, Eddie took off again, leading them on another high-speed chase. A trooper used a precision immobilization technique to stop the car.
Yep.
You're gonna get shot! Right there, right there! Get police! Shut your hands! You're gonna get shot! Stop! Stop running! Stop!
Emergency evacuation up here.
Right here, right here! Get on the ground! On the ground! Here we go. 3542, we got one in custody. Stand by.
Police say a passenger in the vehicle also ran from the scene, but despite using a K9 unit to track them, the second person wasn't found. Eddie was booked into the Genesee County Jail and now faces multiple felony charges. His truck was impounded and the case remains under investigation. 2024, Columbus police found themselves chasing down two teenagers in a stolen car. It all started in Whitehall when flock cameras flagged the vehicle as stolen. Officers tried to stop it, but the teens had other plans and took off, kicking off a high-speed chase.
Shopping mall behind the south on Denver.
Things escalated fast. The driver sped through the city, eventually crashing head-on into a Columbus police cruiser near Climb and River Bend roads.
I can't see, bro. How did you make the drugs? Ran it all over.
631, 638,
Are they agree on all in this place?
631, Climb and River Bend.
Chopper, you the entrance way to the Book Stadium, your left, Mount Street, or southbound.
Get out, get out.
Back up,
In the process, 3 other police cars were damaged, but somehow no one was hurt. Once the car was stopped, both teens were arrested. Turns out, this wasn't their first run-in with the law. They already had a history of stealing vehicles. Now, they're facing a laundry list of charges from the chase and the theft. Luckily, no officers were injured, but it's safe to say these teens are going to have a hard time explaining themselves in court. On May 23rd, on New Year's Eve 2024, things got chaotic in Moore, Oklahoma, when a high-speed chase ended with a dramatic crash. Police were trying to arrest 35-year-old Kayla Cervantes, who was wanted on several warrants, but instead of stopping, she sped off, leading officers on a dangerous pursuit. The chase weaved through streets and highways, eventually heading toward I-240 and South May Avenue in Oklahoma City. Police knew they had to end it before anyone got hurt, so they used a tactical vehicle intervention maneuver, forcing Cervantes' car to crash.
Going back, left on 240, left on 240. On TDI now. mph, still westbound on 240. Westbound, passing Buster, 240 westbound. Light traffic for 240, we're about 280 mile an hour, still westbound. TBI crash, start medical, 240 in May, start medical.
Clear TBI, 240 in May, starting in stuff.
Headquarters, she's out, she's 1040.
I'm good.
After the crash, Cervantes was arrested on the spot. Paramedics checked her out at the scene before officers took her into custody. The chase was intense, but quick action from law enforcement ensured it ended safely. 2023, things got wild in Sheridan, Arkansas, when a routine traffic stop turned into a full-blown high-speed chase. Around 2:40 p.m., police tried pulling over a car, but the driver wasn't having it. Instead, they hit the gas and took off, leading officers on a dangerous pursuit through Grant County. The driver was going way too fast, weaving through traffic and putting everyone on the road at risk. Officers decided enough was enough and used a tactical maneuver to stop the car.
Something more.
Put your hands up! Hands up! Put your fucking hands up!
Thanks. That's what I'm thinking about.
Getting late. Pit, Richardson Ranch. Hey, can you hear me? Hey! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Hands up! Put your fucking hands up! Thank you.
The chase ended about 8 miles north of Sheridan when the car spun out and crashed into a ditch. Unfortunately, the driver didn't make it and was pronounced dead at the scene. A passenger in the car survived but was injured and taken to the hospital. Turns out, both people in the car had active warrants and the vehicle was reported stolen. On top of that, police found what they believe was meth on the passenger.